Hi there, my name is Brittany Flanderick and I am doing the video prompt Amazon rainforest. The first part of the assignment was to read the article Amazon Fires, What's the Latest in Brazil by Roland Hughes. This article is about the Amazon rainforest and how there was a big forest fire basically, and this was the center of the attention at the time. And the government and also Brazil was very concerned about how many fires were happening and how they were starting. And they were starting because of natural things, so such as lightning strikes or storms, and then it was also farmers as well. So, the first question that was asked is, how do we benefit from deforestation? We benefit in the ways of when forests are burned, we get new life, or new life tends to grow and form. So, in the means of plants and also animals. And then we also get new farmland, depending how much is burnt. How does the deforestation harm us? It harms us because the Amazon rainforest is, according to the article, a big part in helping with the carbon for global warming. And so when we eliminate part of the Amazon rainforest, or even any sort of big forest um, with any of that, we tend to increase the carbon in the air, which is not very good for our environment. Thank you very much.